Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to buy a Nintendo Switch inside the Temu app. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, go ahead and open up your Temu app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in. Once you're signed in, go in the search bar here and go ahead and type in Nintendo Switch. Like so. And now what will pop up, all these different options of Nintendo Switch. So go ahead and find that Nintendo Switch that you want to purchase. But you can also got the chance to win a free Nintendo Switch. So if I click back here, go back to the home page, and then scroll down. And where it says earn credits and free gifts, go ahead and click onto that. And then from here, have a look at all the free gifts. So sometimes in these free gifts, you might be able to get a Nintendo Switch. So for example, if I click on win 4 freebies, so I'm going to click on get now, there could be a chance I could win a Nintendo Switch. So as you can see, this is the options I've got here. So just scroll down and see if you can find that Nintendo Switch. So I've got, as it says here, pick free gifts to win. Right, so I'm just going to pick that one. So I'm going to pick it. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and pick the second gift. Oh, here we go. Got a dockable clear case for Nintendo Switch. But what else have they got? Have a scroll down. Alright, so you got free pack screen protect temper for your Nintendo Switch. So all these different add-ons for your Nintendo Switch, but I don't see any Nintendo Switches for free. But just have a scroll and have a play around this. I'm just going to pick this one, and now I've got one more to pick from. So you might be lucky if finding a Nintendo Switch inside these free gifts. Scroll down again. Alright, in my case, there isn't a Nintendo Switch to pick from, so I'm just going to pick this colourful silicone gamepad joystick grip case. Alright, now I'm going to add in my address and then continue to fill out this form. Yeah, so guys, it might work, might not work for you to find that free Nintendo Switch. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.